Okay, so if you saw my previous video, you'll know that I'm helping a friend to launch this, a home Agarwood diffuser, and it'll be the first of its kind in the UK. Alongside the launch of this will also be this in-car mini Agarwood diffuser. Of course, this is just a box for now, but we'll get into unboxing it in just a second. Now, if you're like me and didn't actually know what Agarwood was at first, then here's a quick summary. Agarwood, or sometimes called oud wood, is a fragrant wood which is used in incense and perfumes. It's formed when the Agarwood tree becomes infected with a certain type of mould. When infected, the wood develops a pleasant aroma, which I'm sure you know the smell of if you smell it. This infected wood is called Agarwood, and it's the most expensive wood on the planet. Sometimes it can fetch up to $100,000 per kilogram. Agarwood is traditionally popular in the Middle East or Asia, with many homes having either diffuser or incense. However, the strength and style of the aroma can vary between countries and culture. So let's open these up and see what's inside. I'll just slide this out. A really nice packaging, a really nice box. You have a documentation envelope here. Let's put that to one side. And then underneath here, we have the diffuser. So it's really well presented. It is the obviously 12 volt car diffuser, pack of Agarwood tablets there. So let's take out the car diffuser first. So this is a really nice design, really slick, made of metal. It feels like really high quality. It's cold to the touch. The contact pads are very strong, very stable. And then underneath this little disc here is where you will place the tablet, which will then be heated up and diffused. And take a look at the tablet capsule. So this again is really nice. It's solid metal, it's cold to the touch, really high quality. And this is a capsule of 5 Agarwood tablets. And all you do to get them out is just simply hold the middle and push and slide the case out. Then you will see all 5 tablets. We'll just take one out, place it down, just put these away. And then let's have a look at placing this in here. So we'll just pop this off. It's magnetic, so it snaps in place, so it can't come off easily. And we just place the tablet on top, and then place the top back on, and then you plug that into the car and it will diffuse the aroma of Agarwood. So let's have a look at the black one as well. So this is the black one, so I'll just take this out of here. And again, it's a really nice design and really high quality. Let's take a look at the tablets. So these tablets are really cool, these little capsules. They're metal capsules with a sliding inner plastic. So we can just push these out, slide this one out. Let's take that one for example, and slide these back in. And then let's take the diffuser, take the top off, again magnetic, this time it has a blue inner. Place that tablet in there, and then place the top back on, and there's the diffuser for you to use in the car. It's important to mention that wild Agarwood is actually protected and isn't tradable. So the Agarwood that's in this product actually comes from a plantation, and the company that runs that plantation has a special license given to them from an organisation called Cities. CITES, which manages the trade of very rare substances across the world. This license allows them to grow the Agarwood in a sustainable way, which isn't damaging to the environment or obviously to the natural Agarwood. You can find this city's license for the producer of Agarwood in this product on the website thebeyond.life under the About Us section. So I know this video is a little bit different to what I usually post, but if you still liked it anyway, then click that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then smash that subscribe button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm with every like and subscription I get. And also, if you leave a comment below, just let me know what you liked or what you'd like to see next. That will be a massive help. I read all the comments, so if there's enough requests for something, I'll make it happen. So, thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to next time.